Infinite Work IT Japan Hack Tech Stack. That's what this video is about. This is going to guarantee you infinite employment in Japan as a web or whatever IT engineer. Stop listening to the soy boy devs on YouTube telling you to try TypeScript, to jump on Next.js, to do Golang, to do Nest.js. Listen to your average pleb dev. I'm going to show you the two programming languages. It's pretty much all you need to guarantee employment in Japan. Before you do that, like, sub, Discord, and LinkedIn. There are two languages that you can learn to guarantee employment. The first one is PHP. The second one is Java. And of course, the third skill or technique or whatever you need is JLPT level 2 or an equivalent. Oh, look, if you speak it, you speak it. Let's just say that. Check out the video of me speaking it terribly, but still being able to work IT in Japan for the past 8 or 9 years. And also, let's be honest, why I didn't add JavaScript is because, look, most of these websites are just tables and forms. I don't know why this has become such a big pile of whatever it is now. But if you're a server-side engineer, you just learn how to do forms and tables. You pretty much got your JavaScript front end down. The three websites I'll be showing you is one is Kyujin Box, the second one is Indeed, the third one is Doda or Doda. I don't know how you pronounce it. So I'll be showing you Java and PHP jobs listings and how many there are in each website, and then we'll compare it to other languages. So first, let's check out Kyujin Box. And you see here, it says there are under 200,000 jobs. Okay, that's probably not real. We all understand that. There are duplicates or fakes or you know what. But yeah, today there are 9,800. You know, let's say half of them are fake. At least 5,000 jobs in Japan. And then even some of them, as you can see, it says uses English. So yeah, of course you're going to be using Japanese. But some of these jobs also do allow a bit of English, just to keep in mind. But anyway, we have Java on Kyujin Box at under 10,000. We're going to Indeed Java. We have under 100K jobs. Look, at least half of them are fake, but we're just trying to show you compared to other programming languages. Next one we're going to check out is Doda, and they have around 16,000 Java related jobs. Of course, there are other languages in the keywords, but we're just looking for Java. Now we're looking at Doda's PHP jobs. There are around 6,000. We're looking at Indeed PHP jobs, and there are around about same as Java, so under 100,000. Of course, half of them are not real or duplicates, at least. And then of course we have the original Kyujin Box of Java is the 10,000, quite similar to PHP. Sorry, PHP is 6,000 for Kyujin Box, and Java for Kyujin Box is under 10,000. So what if I go into here and instead of writing Java, okay, not JavaScript engineer, we'll say something like React. Let's see. Less 2,000. Let's put in a Golang. Only under 300. You see what I'm trying to get to, guys? You see what I'm trying to get here, fellas? Let's go to Indeed and say Golang. But of course, the Java could be Android related, but still learning Java would open up doors to many other jobs. Golang's under 3,000. What about Next.js? 10,000, that's still quite a bit. React and Next.js. But still, there are a lot more Java and PHP jobs. And look, you're not jumping onto some new silly front-end library that's going to break or is a headache to implement. Look, you learn how to use PHP, you learn how to make REST APIs, you can probably template most of the front-end templating with just whatever jQuery. It still works, guys, and most of these applications we're making now, do they really need skeletons? Do they really need optimizing caching? Half of them aren't even using server-side rendering, so why are we using these server-side rendering? I mean, we're just going to serve templates, why don't you just use PHP? Why don't we just use PHP? No, shut up. You have to use the latest gizmo and gadgets. But what happens now then, if you can't find a job, well, you're stuck. And a good thing about most of these kind of PHP companies that just use PHP and Laravel or whatever, that you just jump into the front and do some Vue.js or something. You just jump in the front and do some front end while you're there. But you're not expected to become the ultimate hacker man of Next.js and TypeScript. And you have to use Zod. You have to use, you see where this is going into the the realm of soy deving in 2024 and beyond. You don't have to do all that. You just learn some PHP and you do some templating and you're all good. Your pay, okay, look, you might get paid more React or nexting your life away. But if you just want to stabilize your life, if you just want a stable dev life in Japan, PHP or Java, and get good at Japanese N2, you just buy your whatever book you need to buy. You got to study what you got to study. You got to do what you got to do around here, guys. But you don't have to learn the latest gizmo gadgets, whatever's cool, because some guy in a mustache, I'm trying to put my book away, some guy in a mustache on YouTube is telling you you have to use Drizzle now. Some of you might be watching this and saying, oh yeah, but I don't want to be a part of that code. I'm not going to, why would I want to? Shut up. Well, hey, enjoy being homeless, jobless in your Tesla. Enjoy living in your hut. And then you might get stabbed. But this is it, fellas. The infinite job hack in Japan is pretty much this. Hey, they're probably not all of these companies like going to hire foreigners. But you know, you got to try your best. You can be the first foreigner in their company. Trying your best. Weebmaxing, bowing, sharing your business card. It's all good. It's fine. Good fun. Look, Nintendo's looking for someone to do Java. Maybe not you, but hey, it could be you. The infinite job tech stack hack in Japan. That's what it's about, guys. But okay, I get it. Maybe you don't have the Japanese skills. That's understandable. But hey, maybe you just save up a bit. Save up and try to get yourself over here. Go to a language school for a year or two. Get that N2 and get that conversation. Get your conversation skills up in Japanese, and that's the hack. That's the hack, guys. Just spend it 2 years. Spend 2 years. Save up a bit. Save up. Work baito while you're here. There's a guy here. Look here, the guy who was doing the Seimon Gakko, and he was working McDonald's as a baito. And yes, you are right. It's not fang. It's not pretty. It's not the most glamorous job you could ever have. But hey, you're employed. You have a roof over your head. You have health insurance. You have food every day. You're not going to get stabbed on the train. There's not hobos sitting outside your house. Okay, maybe the future's grim. I don't know, but hey, at least HR's not pushing you to be an ally. Hey, at least HR's not telling you to wear a badge. Hey, it's not like HR's, you see what I'm going in? All that stuff, you don't have to worry about that anymore. Just be a wagey in Japan. Just be a dev wagey. That's the Infinite Work IT Japan tech stack hack. Let me know what you think in the description. Go on Discord and tell me what I'm wrong. I let everyone speak their mind about working IT in Japan. And yeah, that's all I got to say. See you in the next one.